mechanical simple harmonic oscillation. Just we discuss the what is in the simple harmonic motion and it derived one the expression that is simple harmonic motion d square x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. Then we discuss the simple mechanical simple harmonic motion. In that, mass suspended to a spring vertical oscillation. Consider the spring whose upper end is fixed to rigid support and let us mass m is attached to its lower end due to which a load mg acts on a spring vertically downwards. The equilibrium level of the spring which the load mg is indicated by the position O. Here by the position O, any displacement to the upper side from this mean position, that is a positive, and below to the mean position that we indicates the negative. Suppose that the mass m is pulled downwards within the elastic limits by the distances minus x. Let us force required to it is also minus f. Then the upward restoring force generated within the spring will be plus 5. Then here the equation is given by due to the mass the spring will elongated and weight mg, the mass and tension in the thread toe will be keep system in equilibrium. We have to consider toe is equal to mg, that is equal to kl, that is equation number 1, where k is a spring constant, l is a elongation of the spring due to mass m, k is equal to mg by l. If we apply the force to the stretch the spring throughout a small distance x, and if force is removed, the mass start to move up down and becomes harmonic in nature, and that is given toe dash is equal to k in bracket 1 plus x, that is equation number 2, where when x is a small then applied force is given by F is equal to toe minus toe dash, KL minus K 1 plus x, F is equal to minus K, that is equation number 3. But we have F is equal to minus F is equal to m d square x by dt square and K is equal to mg by L. Then compare this equation, we get m d square x by dt square is equal to minus mgl into x. Then arranging this term, we get d square x by dt square plus g by l into x, that is equal to 0. And this equation is given by d square x by dt square plus g by l, that is given by omega, that is k by m, is equal to g by l. This omega square x is equal to 0. The time period of the oscillation is given by t is equal to 2 pi by omega, or t is equal to 2 pi square root of L g. Equivalent force constant for a spring in a series combination. In that we have to consider the two spring, and that two spring we have to attach by series. And what happened when we attach two spring in series, we have to discuss in this. In that, let us consider the two idealized spring S1 and S2 with the spring constant K1 and K2. X1 and X2 be the extension in a S1 when the mass m is attached at the lower end. Then we know the Hooke's law, that is F is equal to minus kx and f is equal to mgx here. Then we get this equation. We have to compare that two equation. Mg is equal to minus kx. Find out the value of x, that is equal to minus mg by k. Consider these two spring and these two spring having the spring constant k1 and k2, and x1 and x2 be the extension of s1 and s2 when the mass is attached to the lower end. By using the above relation, we have to calculate x1 and x2. This is the total x. Then in this we have to calculate x1 and x2. x1 is equal to minus mg by k1, that is equation number 1. x2 is minus mg by k2, that is equation number 2. Now let us s1 and s2 be suspended in series as shown in the figure L. The bottom of the series combination, this mass m comes down. Here in that S1 and S2 in a series. Then let us load m be suspended now at the bottom of this series combination. Since each of the spring S1 and S2 experience to the pull by the same mass, S1 is extended by x1 and S2 is extended by x2. Thus the mass m comes down, showing the total extension. We have to find out the total extension of the series combination of the spring, that is given by x is equal to x1 plus x2. Let us force constant for a series combination as whole series combination, that denoted as S. mg is equal to minus ks into x. Ks as it is, put the value of x, that is x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 is equal to minus mg by kx, that is equation number 3. Arranging this equation, we get x1 plus x2 is equal to minus mg by kx, that is equation number 3. Now, using equation 1, 2 and 3, we get as minus mg by k1 minus mg by k2 is equal to minus mg by ks. When adding these three equations, we get, they removing the common factor minus mg and arranging we have, when we arranging this term and cancelling some terms, we get 1 by ks is equal to 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2. When arrange this equation, we get ks is equal to k1 into k2 divided by k1 plus k2. If there are n number of the spring in a series, just we calculate these two spring in a series, only two spring. There are the n number of the series in a n number of the spring in a series, so that we have to take the summation. 1 by ks is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n 1 by ki. And if mass m is attached to at a bottom at set of the oscillation, then time period will be t is equal to 2 pi square root of m by ks. Similarly, we have to find out the equivalent force constant for a spring in a parallel combination. Just we discuss how these are connected or related in a series. Then similar, we have to find out the parallel combination of the series of the spring. In that, let us consider the two spring are the suspended In a series combination, let us consider the two spring S1 and S2, which is having these two spring having the spring constant K1 and K2. K1 and K2. X1 and X2 be the respective extension of spring S1 and S2. Then that equations we have to find out. X1 and X2. X1 is equal to minus mg by K1 and X2 is equal to minus mg by K2. In that similarly, we have to discuss the parallel combinations of the spring. In that, let us consider the two spring S1 and S2. Be suspended from a rigid support parallel to each other. Their free ends are support the mass. These free ends support the mass. The free support distance x due to mass m. Let us restoring force acting on the support PA, FP, that is given by minus Kp into x. The restoring force Kp is actually shared by the two spring. The restoring force is S1b F1 and S2b F2. Fp is equal to F1 plus S2. Similar we have to find out in series combination. Same way we have to find out in parallel combination. In that springs are connected end to end, but here springs are connected to parallel, so that minus K1 by x is minus K2 into x2. Then such a both spring undergoes same extension x is equal to x2 is equal to x, so that Pf is equal to minus K1x minus K2x. Pf is equal to minus K1 plus K2 into x. When rearranging the terms, we get the equation number 2. The comparing the equation 1 and 2, we get Kp is equal to K1 plus K2. If there are n numbers of the spring in a parallel combination, so that we have to take the Kp is equal to K1 plus K2 plus so on up to Kn. For this combination of the mass spring, the time period of the oscillation will be T is equal to 2 pi square root of Pm by Kp. Here these are the series combination and parallel combinations of the spring completed.